Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Toy and we are simply drinking. So happy Halloween everyone. I know it might be some trick-or-treaters going out tonight. They might come in and have a little chill. So we are going to be making a cherry cider. And we're going to be using some Simply orange juice. I'm using that brand, so you can use whatever brand you want. We got the Simply orange juice. We have some apple cider here. We are going to be using the juice from the maraschino cherries. We're also going to be using some ground nutmeg, some cinnamon sticks, some ground cloves, and some allspice. Alright, let's get started. So you want to get like 3/4 cups of the orange juice. Pour that in your pot because we are going to be warming this juice, this cider up. So we're going to be using 4 cups of the apple cider. Pouring that in there. We are going to be using the maraschino juice, which is, we're going to do like just 1/4 of that. Alright. So I got some cloves here and I'm going to be doing 1/4 teaspoon of each. So I got my cloves. I have my nutmeg. And I have my allspice. And I'm just going to put 1 cinnamon stick. I'm trying to find a big one. Oh, that's big. I'm going to put a little bit of those in there. So I'm just going to stir this up. And you want to simmer this mixture of your cider on your stove at medium-high for about 15 minutes. You don't want to boil it, you just want to simmer it. So we're going to simmer it on medium-high for about 15 minutes and I will come back with the taste test. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and I started it off simmering on the stove for medium-high and it started to boil and I didn't want it to boil, so I put it on low and I simmered for another 10 minutes. So it's finished. Nicely done. So I'm going to slice up some oranges. That's a big old orange. So I'm just going to put the orange and the cherry in the cups here. Glasses. So, put that in there. I'm going to put a cherry in there. Get a nice cherry in there. And this usually makes about 6 servings. Taste test. This is my first time making this recipe, so I'm going to be tasting the first time with you guys, and I'm also going to bring my husband over where I can get his reaction on how it's going to taste to him for his first reaction. All right, honey. We got our spoons here.
Spoon.
Well, it's kind of warm. Cheers.
See what this is about. The orange is not bad. Not bad at all.
With the oranges?
Yeah, I like the orange taste. Got that sweet, sweet taste. Not bad. Not bad at all.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, especially when you come outside.
Ooh, warm you up.
Trick.
I like the orange.
How about the cherry? With the cherry in
cherry.
there.
Well, I can't taste cherry. As far as that orange, got that get that sweet taste.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, have me sweating in a minute. Yeah.
All right, thank you for watching. That is it. That is all. And this was Simply Drinking. Cheers.
Cheers.
See you on my next video. Bye.